and he's reading from the front as a general. And you can see all others are following. Thank you very much for the service. Not just to our country, but particularly to the military. You have changed the trajectory. I can assure you, history will be kind to you. Thank you so much. Our host, of course, but also, our big brother has been there for a long, long time, never tired. You are looking so young now, as if I thought, I was this thing, but it looks like you are my younger brother now, sir. And then the great mobilizer, Director General, you said mobilizer is true. I was meant to be out of town. In fact, I sent General Mala, thank you so much for standing in for me. This is our head of our defense in the Office of National Security Advisor. I requested for him to be here because I was meant to be out, actually. But after, I say, this man, if he calls you and you say, you have something else somewhere, it is not. I decided to cancel the trip, told me to be here. DG, thank you. Thank you for the work you are doing for our country and all very good, wonderful people who are here. My sister is here, the Controller General of Immigration. Well done. Every day I receive minimum 5, 10 messages and directives from her, every single day. Honestly, very good. Well done, well done. And also the customs. But things are changing, and I agree with you, Gen Musa, things are changing. There is something new happening. We all believe that we are doing one thing. We all are in it together, work. We in the security sector. And I can assure you things are, we don't even talk. Maybe 80% of what is happening today in our country, we don't talk. We don't. But we are happy, we are grateful for this opportunity given to us, first by Mr. President. We give him the credit. Yes. And I can assure you we are all like one family. You see the military, with the civil police, with the intelligence community, with other paramilitary, all as one. Right now, I can tell you, maybe in many parts of our country, they are working together, operational, physical, in the bush, fighting to defend us, together as one. All over, Niger Delta, Southeast, Northeast, Middle Belt, Northwest. For the first time, you see a military man leading, a policeman by the side, DSS on one side, all others working as one. Even right now, I can assure you, it's going on. Young men, and not too young, all, and women, fighting to defend us as one and collective. Thank you so much, all of you, for that, for making it possible. And I'm going to just say a few things to just express my own solidarity, to identify, and to tell you we are all one together. Even though, this is the way you are going, you are threatening the MNI. And, take it easy. The young shall grow. So, but honestly, it's a lesson in how to, organize and do things. The Security Institute is changing, right? From the time, of course, the combination of these leaders. And we are witnessing the birth of another thing, big. And that's how things work. If you work, you see result. If you don't, nothing. it will continue to be dormant. I think you are there since 2008, and the activities of this this period says it all. And that tells you about what life is all about. It's ability for you to stand up and do what is expected of you. Yes, time goes. If you waste it, it goes. If you walk, you see result. And like I said, I told General Musa, history will count you in as well. So I will encourage those who are in the lead of this, do it. It will only be better. It's a convergence of, intelligence and service, security, and coming together in an intellectual platform for you to continue to make your own contribution for the betterment of all of us. It makes sense. And I will certainly always identify myself with it and support it, and whatever it takes for us to continue to improve. Thank you for the courage to say that Canada denied you. They can go to hell. Even though it's painful, it's disrespectful, but we are people. We are strong. And I agree with you. We have to fix our country. We have to do it well. Yes, this disrespect is too much. So, yet is another reason why we work hard to make Nigeria work and be respected. On that, I want to thank all of you. If we are on permission, I probably will now start my journey back. I was supposed to be out of Abuja, so General Mala, you stand in for me for the rest of the event, while I will take my own. Thank you so much, and God bless you.